Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn to look at. So this is an XBN, or Burlington Northern K3HA. With the K3HA, you've got a 1, you have a 2, and a 4A. Like I said, XBN, this is an 80s horn. It's an 80s Widefont horn. So it's got all original hardware. It's got original, like I said, original hardware. It's got your back flange bolts. So everything's original on this horn. Now there's no paint left, and I can't guarantee it's XBN, but I have from a good source that I got it from that it's XBN. So more than likely it is XBN, just due to its history, that's the known history of it. But like I said, I don't know 100%. It does have, yeah, I replaced them. It does have new internals. Unfortunately, I couldn't save the old internals because I know when I got this, it had like 4 busted diaphragms. But anyway, so I just gave it all new internals. But good sounding horn nonetheless. So anyway, with the K3HA, of course, the H is for high mount manifold. Same thing as a K3LA, you just have the high mount manifold, not a low mount. So I get people ask me that a lot. So anyway, I guess that's really about it with this horn. Y'all enjoy this. This is the XBN 80s K3HA.